Demonstration of thermal expansion in solids.
Gravesand'S ball and ring experiment. The apparatus consists of a metallic ring, through which a metal ball can just pass at room temperature. When the ball is heated to a high temperature, then again placed on the ring, one finds that the ball does not pass through the ring. This shows that on heating, the diameter of the ball has increased. The sagging wire. The apparatus consists of a metal wire hung between two stands. Curtain ring is made to pass through the wire. When the wire is heated, we find that the ring begins to sag in the wire, indicating the increase in the length of the wire. Bimetallic strip. A bimetallic strip is made from two thin strips of metal, which expand by different amounts when heated. Often brass and steel are selected. The two pieces are welded. When heated, brass expands more than steel, bending the strip into an arc.
Automatic fire alarm. An automatic fire alarm in a building's security system is a heat detector that responds to the heat from a fire by setting off an alarm. Some heat-detecting fire alarms rely on a bimetallic strip as the temperature sensor. This strip responds to heat by closing a normally open electrical circuit to activate the alarm. Working. The bimetallic strip in a fire alarm is made of two metals with different expansion rates bonded together to form one piece of metal. Typically, the low expansion side is made of a nickel-iron alloy called Invar, while the high expansion side is an alloy of copper or nickel. The strip is electrically energized with a low voltage current. When the strip is heated by fire, the high expansion side bends the strip toward the electrical contact. When the strip touches that contact, it completes a circuit that triggers the alarm to sound. The width of the gap between the contacts determines the temperature that will set off the alarm. Demonstration of cubical expansion in liquids.
The apparatus consists of a glass tube fitted with a cork having a hole. A narrow glass tube is passed through the hole such that it fits tightly. Water is filled in the bottle to its neck and is colored with potassium permanganate. On heating, one finds that the water begins to rise in the glass tube, showing that liquids undergo cubical expansion on being heated.